One of the exciting features for 2022 is the new auto trim feature. So you can simply turn that on in your SMG4, the gauge on the dash, and then you'll have the engine doing its auto trim function. So to do that, you simply go into the menu, move the icon down to auto trim, and then you can turn it on or off there. In this case, we'll leave it on and we'll go and show you how it works. At the moment, it's fitted to selected SPC or Suzuki Precision Control models from 115 through to our flagship 350A. It gives you extra trim, which helps your ride quality, fuel economy, and your ease of steering. When you're underway from the base setting, it automatically lifts and lowers your engine trim by 6 degrees at around about the 4,000 RPM mark. An icon will show in the SMG4 to let you know when the motor's moving up and down, and it also shows you your trim position. The auto trim feature in the Suzuki outboard is very similar to the cruise control system in your car. You can have it running automatically, or you can simply override it by trimming up or down on the trim button. This will take over manual control and switch the auto trim off for that trip. If you want any further information, please contact your nearest Suzuki Marine dealer or visit suzukimarine.com.au. It's just another reason we think Suzuki is the ultimate outboard motor.